Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing the search area logically. Retrace your last 30-60 minutes and search high-probability spots first. Open the Find My app and make sure Bluetooth and location are active so the AirPods Pro can broadcast a signal. This matters because a connected device reports proximity. Next, physically inspect common hiding places, bags, pockets, the charging case, and beneath cushions, while listening for subtle sloshing or clicking that reveals movement or contact. Once Find My shows a location or last seen info, interpret the signal. A recent timestamp plus short distance suggests they are nearby. Older timestamps mean wider search. If battery and connection allow, tap play sound and listen through walls, move methodically in a spiral pattern, and pause frequently. If the signal bounces or drops, have another person hold a second device to triangulate from different angles, because overlapping signals narrow the exact spot faster than one listener alone. When you find a pod or the case, confirm they charge and pair. Return both to the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then reopen to force a reset. This resolves pairing glitches. If devices appear offline, immediately mark them lost in Find My and enable Notify when found so you get an alert when they reconnect. This helps because offline devices often wake in transit. If nothing works, contact Apple support with the serial number and purchase info for recovery or replacement guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.